more.
Did you
Way too much money.
Wow, tired. What you doing?
Looking for new robot attachments.
But why?
Because I'm tired of the rest of them.
But you don't know so many things about the accessories.
Oh, really? Can you explain me?
Of course I can. That's why I'm here. Duh. Okay, unknown accessories up here.
What's this? It looks like bunny ears.
Yep, it's to
Oh,
hold
what?
up our mighty dot. It's like a purse, except with a robot. Wait, Hawaii?
Yeah.
So this accessory
Isn't it a bit too small?
No, it's not. This very unexplained accessory is very weird. Nobody knows exactly how to use it, but I just figured it out.
How?
And that's why I needed my phone. See? The top sponge part, I really don't know what it's called. So the top part can stretch, see? Like that. Okay, so now you can put in your phone like that. Oof. And see how it fits? This had to stretch a little. Only this dash right here. So we're all set with this accessory. So viewers, if you want to see how Dash sees the world, the video's right here. Hey, do you want to see how Dash sees the world?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so we have to start a video if you want to see how Dash sees the world. Okay, let's go. Okay, the video's taken. Hi, Dash.
Hi, I see you and I'm recording you. Hey, you look so funny.
Yeah, you do look funny.
Where's my dot? I found you, Dot. You're not a great hider.
Wow, so awesome.
I didn't know this before.
Mhm.
That was cool, but what next?
Let's see. Hey, do you want to play hide and seek with Dash and Dot?
How? I don't think it's possible.
It is possible. Wherever Dot goes, that's where Dash will find Dot. Found it!
Found it.
Told you he can do it.
I found you, Dot. You're not a great hider. Not quite. I'm gone. Find me again.
Okay. Shh. Ta-da! Yes, I did.
Okay, it's working.
Perfect.
Turning. Come on.
It's working. It's like there's a laser on this part over there. Like when it sees Dot, it sends an alarm inside his head that goes, Dot found,
Whoa.
Dot found. See? Told you. Like when the laser reaches Dot's black part and Dot's eyes, it like goes towards him. Pretty cool.
He's coming.
I found
You
you,
died.
Dot. You're not a great hider. Not quite. I'm gone. Find me again.
Last round. Okay, let's go. And yep.
I found you, Dot. You're not a great hider.
Wow, Dash is really good.
That was so much fun.
Yeah.
That was so fun. Do you have anything else to show me?
Hey, do you like drawing?
Yeah.
Let's see. Did you know Dash can draw?
Seriously, Dash can draw?
Yup. So, since we don't have the drawing kit, We made our own. I made our own.
You mean the sketch kit?
Yeah, the sketch kit. I made my own. Right here.
Why do you want it to die?
Okay, just put it right here. Okay, drum roll, please. Okay, so now it's time for the dash drawing. Let's go. Okay. Dash from here. Which one's your favorite circle? So there are two ways dash can look towards you. There is look towards voice and turn towards voice. The turn one is in the drive. The look one is in look. So first we're going to try out the turn towards voice. Dash, look at me! See? Now my brother's going to try.
Dash, look at me!
See? We're going to add a when Dash hear voice. So when Dash hears the voice, he keeps repeating it. So we don't have to do that. Okay? So let's start. Dash!
Dash, dash, dash!
Dash, look at me!
No, I'm your friend. Look at me!
Seriously, Dash, look at me.
No, me!
No, I'm your friend, not him.
I'm your friend more than her.
No, me. Choose me.
Choose me. Yay, choose me.
No, he chose me. See, look. Dash. Ha.
No, he chose me. See?
No, he chose me.
Look. Dash over here.
Okay, let's
Dash over here.
let's let
Dash over here. Now.
Hey, Dash.
Now we're gonna. So now we're going to show the look towards voice. It's like instead of like turning all the way like it just did, it like turns his head like that. Okay, so first my brother is gonna do it.
Dash, look at me.
Nice.
Dash over here. Now. I'm your friend, not her.
Not this again.
Hey, Dash.
Dash.
Okay, let's start. Now we're with dot this time. And this is very interesting. Dot has 4 sensors instead of 3 like Dash, except he has 4. So he uses these sensors to know when he is, let's say, thrown, twisted, turned, and let's see, picked up. Yeah. So when you turn on dot, and don't log into it, because then it won't work. So turn on dot and press the top orange button, number 3. If it's facing forward, it doesn't say anything. But it's like magic. Nothing. Magic. Nothing. Let's try down. It even works. That's the best part. And if you turn him off and on again, because I need to show you something awesome. If you cover this one with your palm and this one with your other palm, and this one with this finger and this one with this finger, and rub it. And
I love it when you
see?
hold me.
Try it, Bianch.
I love it when
See?
you hold me.
It knows when you're holding him, And try throwing him. Try to catch it. Let me try.
Where am I?
See?
Hey.
That's the best.
And you can't turn me.
That's our favorite.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's really fun to play with Dot in the meantime. That's why you should carry Dot around when you're going on a long trip. That he keeps you busy and it's really funny. That's it for today. See you next time, guys. Bye.